So today we're gonna fix this bike. Put this nose. Let's go. Time to put a new original hole and Chinese hole. The little thing where it is like a lock, you know, locks in place. Looks like I need some fixing. So I need to make it a little bit bigger. We got better frame, so those plastics come from AliExpress, and originally it should be plastics like this with this kind of nose, but somehow I got a little bit newer, so that nose a little bit different. So the first I bought by original, this like this is plastic, those come out now, nice, good, exactly the same lines in there now. For somehow reason I got those, so I need to wait another, so I ordered them, you know, with different little bit nose, so it should fit everything. Let's hope. The bolts and frame exactly the same, so no problem about that. All good, fits here as well, everything beautiful. Let's do a test, yeah. Looks like it's working. Looks. So basically the last 10 minutes I'm trying to put the light. So when I put the light, looks all good, everything alright. But this little piece, there you go, you can see gap now. So this gap I just can't close. There you go, it should be like line up, you know, but somehow this doesn't put right, you know. Look like there you go, eventually it's on in line. So I shave all this side. You can tell by this side much longer. So basically it was too long, so I shave it, and now I shave this side and should be all good. So this is one more problem. Those 3 pieces going here, 1, 2 and 3 now. So what's the problem? Shape them down like this. Make them round one. If it's originally come like this and doesn't fit, you can tell by look how forcing I'm trying to squeeze now, and every single one the same. You can see the sparks, it just doesn't fit. Keep in mind, if you buy lights like this or like plastics and lights like this, it will be issues. Now at least getting it nice in line. Everything much nicer to look now. That took me 3 hours. Look at this, a little bit sideways. No, I'm joking. The little bolt is not in. Up, and we'll be good to go now. So you have air ventilation. If you attach this in here, a little slot in and should go here. There you go. Definitely the right hole. Definitely nice. But somehow that's where the difference comes. If you will see here, you have a little tiny gap. And basically I don't have where to screw a bolt. Original you have, the 2010 and 12 you have this kind of plastic. And I can imagine here used to be some kind of clip to hold this plastic. I removed this one from there. I told you, remember this bolt nowhere to attach, you know. So I'm gonna add cable tie. I'm gonna use cable tie to attach this around the air ventilation. I'm gonna zip down and should be alright, yeah. There you go. Have one point holding, another holding, and you have a little slot. There you go. Looks shiny. So the bike is 2010 and plastics is 2012 and 14. So fits, everything is good. Just only one problem. This little gap now. You can, I don't know, maybe some special bolt. I put on the straps, so looks like this. It looks quite good, I would say. Everything, all plastics under looks good. Line up everything nice. The lights, everything. The lights took me ages to make sure in line. Need some cleaning now.